Welcome to Fieldmotion, software for the HVAC industry. Do you have field-based engineers who install, service and maintain equipment for one of the following? Heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration? If so, do you have a system in place that will help you manage your jobs, your contracts and customer details? And can you record all asset history, including maintenance records, warranties and types of service? With our mobile application and user interface, companies can now produce F-gas reports and certificates, manage PPM contracts, allocate stock to services, digitize job sheets, create customized quotes, and raise invoices. So with real-time information, you can manage your business better, produce all the necessary reports to help you with your F-gas audits, and streamline your processes from beginning to end. Fieldmotion currently works with many companies within your industry. So if we can help your business today, get in touch now.